big BJP protest that is happening against the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal over his comments on Purvanchalis. And just take a look at how the situation is escalating. The BJP accusing the Aam Aadmi Party convener of insulting Purvanchalis. He was referring to the people coming in from eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So therefore, the BJP is now organizing this big, massive protest. In fact, there were a lot of people also who hail from those parts of the state who have come out and they have condemned the remarks being made by Arvind Kejriwal. And there was a situation that arose where the people there tried to break through the barricades. But let me go straight across now to my colleague Akash, who's covering that protest. Akash, over to you. What's happening? What's going on?
Avantika, I'm showing you these visuals where BJP workers are being detained by Delhi police because there they are going towards the most secure zone where, Chief Minister, in fact, the former Chief Minister of Delhi lives. And, Delhi police is clear that we won't, allow you towards that side because it will create a law and order situation. And that's the reason why these protesters are being detained. Just a few minutes back, we saw the use of water cannon as well. And this time around, I'm showing you the visuals. In fact, Cameraman Ravinder is showing you these visuals where hundreds of workers are present here. They are raising slogans against Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, against former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and against Aam Aadmi Party. They are clear that Aam Aadmi Party is against Purvanchalis. Aam Aadmi Party is against people from क्या मांगे हैं आपकी? अगर आप
केजरीवाल यहाँ पर हम पूर्वांचलियों की बेइज्जती किया है, अपमान किया है, केजरीवाल को यहाँ से हटा के रहेंगे। और संजय सिंह जो दांव पे दांव चलता है, इसको यहाँ से हटाना है। अब की सरकार बदलनी है।
I'll try to talk to this person as well. क्या कुछ नारे लगा रहे हैं?
देखिए, नारा नहीं है, ये असलियत है। दिल्ली में रहने वाले लाखों पूर्वांचली, लाखों बिहारी, जिसको इन्होंने फर्जी कहा है, वो लोग अपना जीवन खपाए दिल्ली के विकास के लिए। दिल्ली में रहने के लिए उन्होंने कुर्बानियां दी है। केजरीवाल को माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी। पूर्वांचलियों को फर्जी क्यों कहा बताना पड़ेगा, और नहीं तो इस बात जवाब देंगे हम सब मिलकर। हम लोग जवाब दें।
Alright, so this is पूर्वांचलियों को फर्जी वोटर बताया, माफी मांगो केजरीवाल। आप लोगों को डिटेन कर लिया गया है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन है। यहाँ पे साफ तौर पर कहा गया था कि आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट ना करें। अभी आपको डिटेन कर लिया। क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी अभी फिलहाल?
पूर्वांचलियों का अपमान किया है केजरीवाल ने पूर्वांचलियों को रिफ्यूजी कहा है। ये पूरा पूर्वांचली समाज इसका विरोध करने के लिए यहाँ पे आया है केजरीवाल।
Alright. So there you have Delhi police detaining these BJP workers because they were somewhere also showing the kind of aggression that they should not show here. In fact, they are very much agitated with the kind of comments that have come forward, from Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Avantika, I'm showing you these visuals where you have these workers from Purvanchali Morcha of Bharatiya Janata Party. They started their protest from Ashoka Road and were moving towards Firozshah Road. In fact, the residence of CM Arvind Kejriwal, water cannon was used and now they are being detained. Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that Aam Aadmi Party, is somewhere against people from UP and Bihar, and that's the reason why we have these women, in fact, holding these placards, Purvanchal ka apman nahi sahenge, and the kinds of slogans. In fact, hundreds of people, hundreds of workers have gathered here, and now Delhi police, is detaining them all because it will create a law and order situation. Ahead of the elections, Avantika, we are seeing these developments here in the national capital. We know that how on 5th of February, Delhi is going to go for polls, and ahead of it, both the parties are alleging that the other party is anti-Purvanchalis, is against people from UP and Bihar. Avantika, back to you.
No, absolutely. Very dramatic scenes that we're getting to see. And Akash, we're showing our viewers all the visuals of how this protest has been organized, not just by the BJP, huge number of Purvanchalis also who have joined in the protest. Akash, this is likely to backfire for Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal. The election season is here, and it just might cost him very heavy because he indeed said that they're bringing people from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar to create fake votes, and this might just be detrimental for the Aam Aadmi Party, which is also facing stiff competition from the Congress and the BJP this time around.
कि रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी फर्जी हैं, तो क्या पूर्वांचल के लोग भी फर्जी हैं क्या? पूर्वांचल के लोग अपना मेहनत मजदूरी ईमानदारी और निष्ठा से दिल्ली में स्थान बनाया है। उनको दोगला कहना, उनको फर्जी कहना, ये पूर्वांचल के लोगों का अपमान है, प्रभु श्री राम का अपमान है।
सीता मैया का अपमान है, छठी मैया का अपमान है।
All right. So these protesters clearly are being detained by Delhi police as of now, and I'm showing you these visuals. In fact, where Delhi police is taking them in a bus to the nearby police station, and this is the normal protocol. They will be, in fact, set free after reaching the police station because they have been detained as of now. These visuals where camera person Ravinder is showing you these visuals where these protesters have been detained by Delhi police as of now.
Right, Akash, if you can hear me, the Aam Aadmi Party BJP tussle over Purvanchal voters is clearly escalating. I know there are a lot of reactions coming in, but quite a lot of dramatic scenes that we've just shown our viewers with them trying to break through the barricades. This just might cost heavy for the Aam Aadmi Party that is not just facing anti-incumbency after a 10-year rule, but stiff competition from the Congress and the BJP.
Exactly, and in fact, there is a reading that, there is a reason why, we have theories, floating that Arvind Kejriwal can, contest from two seats. However, he clarified yesterday that he is going to contest from one seat only. But then we have, former MPs contesting against the heavyweights of Aam Aadmi Party. We have Pravesh Verma, contesting from New Delhi. And, political experts say that this was a strategy of Bharatiya Janata Party where, they'll get Arvind Kejriwal involved in New Delhi constituency, and while they eye on remaining 69 seats and also on New Delhi. But this time around, this is important development given the fact that we have a number of percentage of the voters here in Delhi who belong to UP and Bihar. In fact, on several seats we have this population more than 40 or 42% Avantika. There are seats where these Purvanchalis are the deciding factor. So there is a debate if or not Aam Aadmi Party is an anti-Purvanchali party, but it is the voters, who will decide this. As of now, we are reporting from on ground where Bharatiya Janata Party is at least against of the kind of statements that have come from Aam Aadmi Party leaders. And this is the reason why we have seen this Samman March being organized by Bharatiya Janata Party. And as of now, these visuals where these workers of Bharatiya Janata Party are being detained by Delhi Police. Avantika.
All right, stay on with me. Dinesh Sharma from the BJP is also joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Sharma, we are seeing visuals of a protest. Purvanchali is extremely upset. They feel insulted, humiliated with the Aam Aadmi Party convener's choice of words, saying that they're farzi, they're fake. And he's even hit out at the BJP. He's claimed that the BJP is the one who is getting in all these fake voters and manipulating with the electoral rolls. How do you respond?
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल का एकमात्र उद्देश्य है रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी मुस्लिम संप्रदाय के लोग हैं, वो हिंदुस्तान के मुस्लिम नहीं, उनके प्रिय रोहिंग्या हैं और बांग्लादेशी हैं। इन घुसपैठियों को लाकर और वो दिल्ली में वोटर के रूप में बसा दे और पूर्वांचल के लोग को वो उसका विरोध करे। पूर्वांचल को वो बाहरी बतावे और रोहिंग्या को वो अपना बतावे। इस बात का विरोध है कि आप पूर्वांचल के लोगों को बार बार उत्तर प्रदेश को, बिहार का नाम लेकर आप अपमानित करते हो कि दिल्ली
उनका
को बिगाड़
विरोध
दिया।
है बीजेपी के साथ। दिनेश जी, वो कह रहे हैं कि ये बीजेपी की मिली भगत है इलेक्शन कमीशन के साथ और उनका ये एम है कि ये जो जितने भी लोग हैं वो जानबूझ के बिहार से और ईस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश से ला रहे फेक वोटर्स की तरफ।
ये उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों का जो 50 साल से 20 साल से रह रहे हैं बिहार के लोग, जाहिर सी बात है कि उत्तर प्रदेश के बॉर्डर पे रहते हैं तो उनका आना जाना रहता है, लेकिन निवासी वो दिल्ली के हैं, उनसे उनका विरोध है। लेकिन रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी से उनका प्यार है। जब हारने वाले होते हैं ये इंडी गठबंधन के लोगों का, अब तो इंडी गठबंधन खठबंधन हो गया, अब तो है नहीं, लेकिन वो पहले से जब चुनाव आयोग को ईवीएम को गाली देने लगे तो आप ये मान के चला करो कि उनकी पराजय निश्चित है। निश्चित पराजय के कारण केजरीवाल जी अपना संतुलन खो चुके हैं और वो अनर्गल प्रलाप के माध्यम से भाजपा को बदनाम करना चाहते हैं। और मैं समझता हूं कि जनता जाग गई है, अब की बार आपदा से वो मुक्त होगी और ये जो विपदा आ गई थी 10 साल से, उस विपदा से वो मुक्त होंगे।
जी दिनेश जी, थैंक यू सो मच CNN News 18 से बात करने के लिए. So these are the visuals that we're showing you. This is a big massive protest march that was organized by the Purvanchalis. They are extremely upset and angry with the choice of words of Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, who said that they are fake voters and the people who are coming in from eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are farzi voters, and that is something that has made them extremely livid. They're incensed. In fact, they're saying that they will not tolerate this kind of these kind of remarks and humiliation by Arvind Kejriwal. Akash is with us, my colleague Akash, who has been covering this protest. Akash, what is happening now? We saw some of the people being put into these buses, and they're saying that they will continue with their protest. What is going to be their plan of action in the next coming days?
Well, these are the visuals of the visible tussle between the Delhi police personnel and these protesters because they are being detained and they are asking Delhi police to let them protest. But as of now, these protesters are being taken out of the particular place. This is a high sensitive zone because of the fact that it is very close to Parliament. It is very close to the residence of several VVIPs. Still, we have many people, left here. But Avantika, I was mentioning about the point that now the statements have ignited a new sort of debate whether or not these parties are working and towards the sentiment that people are calling them anti-Purvanchali or anti people of UP and Bihar. This time around, Purvanchalis are the dominant factor at various seats here in the capital city. We have elections draw near. In fact, on 5th of February, we have the elections. On 8th, we'll be having the results. Aam Aadmi Party has been ruling this state from last 10 years. It will be interesting to see as to how things will pan out from now onwards, given the fact that both the parties are claiming that the other party is involved in several sort of activities.
Oh, absolutely. And can you see a lot of people who have still gathered in the area, in the protest side behind you?
Yes, in fact, police is asking them to move from this particular area, Griha, and I'll try to talk to some of them as well as to when they say that that they have been insulted by the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party or okay, here we have this बेवफा केजरीवाल. आप कहाँ से आए हैं और क्या मतलब है इस बेवफा?
सर, मेरा नाम अशोक कुमार झा है और 30/11/2024 को जो केजरीवाल जी पे पानी फेंका था वो मैंने ही फेंका था. उनको नींद से जगाने के लिए कि आप हमारी समस्याओं पे भी ध्यान दीजिए, पर उन्होंने समस्याओं पे ध्यान नहीं दिया और उल्टा एक पूर्वांचली होने के नाते मैं उन्हीं का कार्य करता था और उन्होंने हमें अपमानित किया. मेरे पास इस चीज़ का प्रूफ भी है कि मैं उनका कार्य करता हूँ, मेरे पास तस्वीरें हैं और मुझे उन्होंने बीजेपी का बता दिया और उन्होंने मुझे पहचानने से इनकार कर दिया. इसलिए मैंने इस पर लिखा हुआ बेवफा केजरीवाल.
आप कह रहे हैं आप आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता थे, आप वही हैं जिन्होंने साउथ दिल्ली में उनके ऊपर पानी फेंका था?
हाँ जी सर,
लेकिन इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज गलत है
सर. नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो मैं मानता हूँ कि मैं गुस्से में परेशान होकर के ऐसा मैंने किया, पर उसके कारणों को उन्होंने जानने की कोशिश नहीं की. उन्होंने होमगार्ड जवानों को उन्होंने पक्का करने का वादा किया था आज से 10 साल पहले. आज तक उन्होंने होमगार्ड के जवानों के लिए एक भी कार्य उन्होंने नहीं किया है. कोई भी आज तक वो बिल विधानसभा में लेकर के नहीं आए और हमारी जो वेतन की समस्या है उसका भी आज तक उन्होंने हल नहीं किया. अक्टूबर माह का वेतन अभी भी हमें नहीं मिला है.
कौन से वेतन की बात करें, डीटीसी में आप या होमगार्ड?
सर, मैं डीटीसी में हूँ अभी फिलहाल में और अक्टूबर महीने का वेतन अभी तक हमें नहीं मिला. आज 10 जनवरी हो गई है.
अभी क्या कुछ उम्मीद है आने वाले इलेक्शंस में, किस पार्टी से उम्मीद है और क्या कुछ आपको लग रहा है क्या आम आदमी पार्टी जो प्रॉमिस कर रही है वो फुलफिल कर पाएगी अगर सत्ता में वापस आएगी, या भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर पाएगी?
नहीं सर, आम आदमी पार्टी को तो उनके लिए हमने बल्कि कार्य किया है. पहले मेरे पास तस्वीर है कि मैं साबित कर सकता हूँ कि उनके साथ में था, उनके नेताओं के संग मेरी तस्वीर है, पर उन्होंने तो हमें पहचानने से इनकार कर दिया. 10 साल उनके समय देने के बाद भी, मुख्यमंत्री रहने के बाद भी अगर इतनी सारी समस्याएं अभी भी दिल्ली में, तो अब उनसे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है.
All right. So these are the visuals. We have, variety of voices here where this individual is claiming that he used to be the Karyakarta of Aam Aadmi Party, but he has joined Bharatiya Janata Party. And this time around, this protest, is coming to an end because this was a march that was organized by Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, Manoj Tiwari was to lead this particular march, but we cannot see Manoj Tiwari. And this time around, these protesters are being detained by Delhi police.
And Akash, it's so interesting that rather than focusing on the issues that are actually affecting the common man like you and me in the national capital, the Purvanchali community comprising voters from eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar has become a focal point in the upcoming Delhi Assembly polls.
One thing, in fact, when we talk about the history of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, in fact, all these 70 seats, so Purvanchali is one, issue, one agenda that has been there. In fact, I remember in 2014 as well, this was an issue. During COVID days also, this was a matter of politics. In 2020 also, this was an issue that was discussed by political parties. This time around, there is a sort of competition where they are blaming each other. But yes, Purvanchalis, are at in the center of the discussions that are happening. And this time around, we have some sort of comments coming from Bharatiya Janata Party or Aam Aadmi Party. These police personnel are asking us to move aside as well because they are saying that protest has come to an end. And you see, this is an area where, very sensitive area it is. Any sort of protest means that you are disturbing the traffic,
Okay.
you are disturbing
Yes,
the overall
absolutely.
area.
Let's respect their instructions. We are also done here. But Akash, thank you so much for getting us all the visuals of that protest march getting out of order. And we'll keep coming back to you as and when we get more updates.